vertical profile of the atmosphere between two different points can also be visualized using cross-section view. You can open the cross-section view using this button here. It says cross-section view. Default setting is to use map mode, where you can see now two different points on the map. So you can see the blue point and the red point. You can change the position of the points by using your mouse. When you left click, you move around this red dot. And when you right click, you move around this blue dot. It also says 1 for the red and 2 for the blue. Note that here on the vertical cross-section display, always the order of the dots is red on the left and blue on the right. So if you are using them other way around on the map, you still need to note that the cross-section is from 1 to 2, so from the red to the blue. The curve that you see on your vertical cross-section display is the terrain as the SmartMet understands it. So it might not show you the highest peaks or the lowest valleys of your country. You can use multiple rows also on the vertical cross-section display, and you can add them using the view count on the top of the display. So if you drag this, you can have 1, 2, 3, up to 5 different rows. But for the simplicity, I will only use 1 for now. You can add the data the similar way as you add the data to your normal SmartMet display. So right click, add, choose what you want to visualize, for example wind speed, or using this green plus sign. And you can also move around this whole cross section, grabbing it from the middle and then dragging around with your left click. If you want to have third point in the middle, so that your line doesn't have to be a straight, you can add it from here and using the 3-point mode. Here, the middle point is not visible yet, but if you click somewhere with your scroll, it adds the point. So left click is for the red, scroll click is for the green in the middle, and the right click is for the blue, so for the number 2. Note that the order of these dots is always the same: red, green, and blue. If you wish to return to your normal mode, you can just click off the 3-point, and then you have the normal cross-section between the 2 points. If you want, you can also use these different modes like time mode or road mode, and you can find more information about these from the manual. If you are using this normal mode, so the map mode, when you change your time on the timeline, it automatically changes the values also on the vertical display.